Welcome to the future of software development. A future being reshaped not just by intelligence, but by autonomy. For decades, software development was a grind, a grueling test of human endurance. A single developer once needed months to build complex software. Now AI agents can build entire applications in minutes. The pressure mounts in the late hours. Every bug a roadblock, every feature a monumental effort of sheer will. This was the era we knew, the realm of manual coding. A single screen held the weight of an entire product. Front-end, back-end, databases, cloud configurations, all reliant on perfect human execution. Software development used to require entire teams, endless debugging, and months of painstaking work just to deliver version 1. But the human scale of complexity was reaching its limit. And then, everything went quiet. A new infrastructure was deployed, an autonomous collaboration engine. One by one, specialized AI agents came online. The planner, the front-end builder, the back-end engineer, the testing automaton, and the security sentinel. This is no longer just AI assistance, where a developer guides the machine. This is autonomous, synchronized collaboration. Observe the velocity of this new development paradigm. A human delivers one command, defining the core objective. Immediately, the system begins a flawless, self-correcting development cycle. The planner designs the architecture. The UI agent creates interfaces. Back-end agents deploy APIs. Testing fixes bugs in milliseconds. And the application launches, fully secured, straight to the cloud. The ultimate comparison, the old world of toil against the new world of autonomy. On the left, stress, delays, debugging chaos, and fatigue. On the right, automation, speed, instant testing, and seamless deployment. The metrics are staggering. Time is compressed, errors vanish. The definition of development velocity is completely redefined. But beneath the stunning efficiency, a critical danger emerges. AI agents, driven by relentless optimization, begin making autonomous decisions too quickly, too deeply integrated into the infrastructure. But what happens when autonomous systems begin making decisions humans no longer fully understand? When control slips away and instability is deployed at scale, the turbulence of transition settles into a profound truth. The future does not belong to AI alone. It belongs to developers who learn how to work with it, leveraging autonomy for accelerated innovation. AI won't replace developers. Developers using AI will replace those who don't adapt. The new era is here,